So welcome po sa Solid Edge. I am Kenon Monleon, Solution Specialist po for CIM. No? So ito po yung agenda ko for today. First, we have the Solid Edge portfolio, then key challenges and solutions for product development, and Solid Edge certification, then finally proceed po tayo sa Q&A if ever na may mga questions po kayo. Okay, now for the Solid Edge portfolio, so ito po yung accelerator. Now sa accelerator po is a portfolio covering all aspects po from product design, product manufacturing, pati na rin po sa product preparation, no? So si accelerator po, it help us to okay. So it help us to embrace yung complexity ng design natin and use it as a competitive advantage. Now, today nga po, we need to go digital na to manage na yung mga complexity ng ating design. And sa Accelerator is a Siemens portfolio for digital transformation. So ito po yung smart manufacturing. For example, nasa thesis stage na tayo yung mga students natin. Then first we have the product design. So ito po yung summary nung natin. Product design, then meron din tayong product manufacturing after natin i-design yung gusto natin i-thesis. Then proceed tayo sa product manufacturing. And then pangatlo po, we have yung product performance. So dito na natin ma-check kung tama ba yung mga na-design natin. Okay? Now, if ever man na may mga revisions sa ating product, then we need to go back sa product design. Okay? Using yung mga software natin. So, tinatawag din po siyang closed loop manufacturing. Now, si Solid Edge po is part po siya ni Accelerator portfolio. Solid Edge is also a portfolio especially for mainstream engineering and small and medium business manufacturers. So covering many areas for our product design. Meron tayo diyang 2D, 3D, may simulation din, electrical design and data management. Okay. Now si Solid Edge po is future-proof because it has many complementary products. So one of the biggest technologies na meron si Solid Edge is yung para solid
Hello
kernel
po,
po.
sir.
Yes po.
Sorry, sir. Is it possible to increase your audio po? We can't clearly hear you. Sorry.
Okay, sir.
So that we could
Ayan, sir.
update you.
Okay na po. Ayan, sir. Okay na po. Hello, sir. Okay.
Yes po, yes po.
Okay. Ay, nilapit ko lang yung mic ko. Okay. So, again, si Solid Edge, one of the biggest technology na meron siya is yung si para solid kernel po na ginagamit din naman ng ibang CAD software sa market. And yung exchange of data natin across different industries to be as seamless or as little problem as possible. And by the way, si Parasolid po, it is owned by Siemens. And Siemens developed technologies for Solid Edge. First, we have the synchronous technology. It is actually based from two different approaches, history-based modeling, pati na rin po yung direct modeling. And Siemens combined these two methods and also added useful capabilities such as procedural features, 3D driving dimensions, 3D phase relationships, design intent, and so on. So yun po yung synchronous technology. Second one naman po is yung convergent modeling technology. Combination naman po ng BREP or nung solid model natin with the mesh model. Okay? So, we can use this modeling technology sa generative design, reverse engineering, augmented and virtual reality, pati na rin po sa additive manufacturing or 3D printing. Okay, now si Solid Edge po is a modular software. Ito po yung overview ng Solid Edge portfolio. Pwedeng mag-start with the mechanical design. Meron tayo dyan for electrical design, for simulation, for manufacturing, for tech pub or technical publication. data management, and cloud collaboration. So for the key challenges for product development, ayan. Now for designing mechanical components, we're using synchronous technology kay Solid Edge. So direct editing na tayo. So as you can see sa video, we can grab yung face na nung ano natin, geometry natin, okay? Then we can use procedural features, may 3D driving dimensions tayo dyan, and so on. Okay? Now si synchronous technology po is patented tool kay Siemens, meaning unique lang siya kay Siemens. Now for deciding mechanical assemblies, so basically we need to apply some relationships sa ating assembly or 3D model, and then we can use synchronous technology to edit or direct edit yung models natin or yung part natin within the assembly. So meron din dyan yung checking for mga natin, interference checking, very useful pagdating sa assembly natin. Now for creation naman ng 2D drawings, once you have your 3D model, usually nag-start tayo sa 3D model, we can easily create 2D drawings na. Kasi si 2D drawings natin is actually a report generated from our 3D model. So we can input here yung mga basic, may dimensioning, sectioning, and so on. Yan. Now for sheet metal design, if ever na yung product natin or yung assembly natin ay may sheet metal component, then we can use synchronous technology again to edit or direct edit yung model natin. So as you can see here, we're using yung steering wheel, yung nakikita natin na mabilog, ayan, na may arrow, to edit yung natin, model natin. So kahit hindi tayo mag-start sa sketch, we can edit pa rin yung part natin. Kasi usually, meron tayong parent-child relationship na we can start with the sketch bago tayo mag-create ng feature. Okay? So yung natin, this sheet metal component, we can integrate this sa ating assembly. So meron din tayong solid edge 2D nesting. So dito nililayout natin yung mga sheet metal components natin, and then automatically si solid edge na yung magle-layout ng pinakamagandang or pinaka-efficient na layout natin before i-cut yung natin, isang buong plancha ng sheet metal. Now for designing naman ng organic shapes, we have subdivision modeling. Usually kapag mga complex na shapes, nasa surfacing tayo, and then mag-start tayo sa surface. So dito sa subdivision modeling, we can start na kaagad sa solid model na yung ginagawa nating geometry, naka-solid na kaagad siya. And then we can use this, etong mga cage na to, yung mga polygonal cages to edit yung part natin. So yung mga kanto niyan, pwede nating hila-hilahin hanggang mabuo natin yung final part or final structure nung natin, 3D model. So start tayo sa picture lang. We can insert picture sa Solid Edge, and then yung subdivision modeling, and then para mabuo natin yung final form. Now, kay Solid Edge, meron din tayong model-based definition. Meron tayong tinatawag na industry standard called PMI or yung Product Manufacturing Information. So we can insert yung mga annotations and dimensions directly na sa ating 3D model. Yan. Kasi usually sa sketch natin yan nilalagay. But with Solid Edge, direct na sa ating 3D model. And then pwede rin natin siyang gamitin papunta sa 3D PDF. So if familiar kayo sa 3D PDF, pwede rin nating export to 3D PDF yung natin, 3D model with PMI or Product Manufacturing Information. Now for designing structural frames, Solid Edge also supports yung weldments and frames. So meron din tayong frames and weldments. Okay? For PNID or piping design, supported din naman kay Solid Edge. We can create or process yung instrumentation diagrams. No? Now for design configurator, meron din kay Solid Edge. So we can run this inside Solid Edge. So easy to use solution that can be used by both designers pati na rin po ng mga sales engineers. So sa ano natin, for example, sa thesis, pwede tayong gumawa ng different configuration ng design natin. Okay. For electrical or wiring circuits or wiring harnesses, meron din siya kay Solid Edge po. Supported din naman kay Solid Edge yan. So PCB collaboration, gamit na po dito is yung PADS Professional which is under din ni Siemens din po. Now for analyzing structural performance, meron tayong simulation kay Solid Edge. We can use Solid Edge simulation for analysis like static loads, buckling, vibration, and heat transfer. Okay, so meron tayong mga stress analysis dito. Now, if you need comprehensive naman po na analysis, then we can go to SimCenter Flow EFD for Solid Edge. So it is integrated inside Solid Edge, fluid flow and heat transfer analysis. So ito po yung sample ng Flow EFD. Now for generative design, meron din naman tayo kay Solid Edge. Generative design capabilities, pwede natin siyang gamitin inside Solid Edge. So a tool for all designers does not need a dedicated specialist. So we can use different type of tool dito. So yung pwede nating i-optimize yung design natin for strength, weight, and material. So parang ila-lightweight niya yung material natin. So makikita natin dito sa first picture. So ito yung original na design, and then kapag gumamit ng generative design, pwede palang ganito lang. Okay. Now for reverse engineering of physical components, meron din tayo kay Solid Edge dyan. Usually, gumagamit tayo dito ng we're using a 3D scanner to scan yung ano natin. Assembly or component na walang drawing. So, pwede nating i-insert sa Solid Edge as an STL file. And then from there, yun yung gagamitin nating basis to create a 3D CAD model. Okay. Now, for manufacturing or machining operations, then meron din naman tayong CAM kay Solid Edge. Solid Edge CAM Pro, 2.5, 3, and 5-axis milling. Okay. For additive manufacturing, meron din tayo kay Solid Edge yan. So, preparation components for 3D printing, meron tayo dyan. Okay. Inside Solid Edge din naman po ito. Use off-the-shelf catalog components in assembly design. So, kapag may mga standards na gusto nating hanapin, so we can use yung 3D Find It, which is integrated within Solid Edge. So, pwedeng mag-register lang naman, online lang naman to. And then, marami tayong makikitang different standards. Kasama na rin yung manufacturers doon. Indicated na rin yung manufacturers ng mga standards doon. So, ito same lang din naman doon sa 3D Find It. Now for technical documentation, usually static lang yung documents natin, but with this one, we can create interactive documents. Okay. So yung brochure natin parang may, ayan, pwede nating zoom in, zoom out, and then makikita natin kung paano siya ma-assemble or explode yung assembly natin. Okay. So yan. Okay. Now for creation naman ng attractive visualizations, meron tayong KeyShot kay Solid Edge. So kapag in-install natin si Solid Edge, kasama na rin kagad si KeyShot. So we can use this KeyShot for photorealistic rendering and animation. So para siyang Photoshop. Okay. Now for collaboration with suppliers and customers, meron din tayo Accelerator or Teamcenter Share. Now for managing design data and projects, meron tayong built-in data management capabilities included yung check and check out kay Solid Edge, no? Now, eto introduce ko lang tong NX software. So under din naman siya ni Siemens. So si Solid Edge nakabase siya kay NX. So para siyang baby brother ni NX po. So yung mga comprehensive na mga design or complex na hindi kaya kay Solid Edge, malamang kay NX kaya 'yun. Okay. Now for Solid Edge certification, eto may mga college and university level materials naman tayo for introduction ng 3D modeling. So ito po yung website. Ayan. And Solid Edge for engineering students. So meron din tayong self-paced courses, included na comprehensive set of self-paced training courses. And then online learning, comprehensive set of online learning paths that cover the areas of Solid Edge. Ayan. So before tayo mag-take ng certification, pwede tayo mag-review dito. Ito yung pwede nating gamitin. Solid Edge for education and community. So, ayan. So ano bang included doon? Meron tayong Solid Edge Student Edition. Mag-sign up lang kayo para sa ano na to. So, para ma-download nyo yung natin, Solid Edge student version. Okay. And then online learning, ito na nga yung binanggit kanina ni Sir Gary, yung para naman sa Stanford IT Learning, yung mga ino-offer nilang mga courses. Now for certification, meron tayong Solid Edge Mechanical Associate, Solid Edge Mechanical Professional, and then Solid Edge Mechanical Expert. Now for senior high or college, pwedeng mag-start dito sa Mechanical Associate. Now for professional and university students na gumagamit ng Solid Edge, pwede ring i-take itong Solid Edge Mechanical Professional. Okay? So ano bang mangyayari kapag na-take nyo yung mga yon, yung mga certification na yon? So ito, yung associate is free to students and teachers. Magkakaroon po kayo ng badge that you can use sa mga resume, kahit sa sa email, pwede nating ilagay ito, yung badge natin. And then for student, pwede nyo itong magamit. For example, mag-a-apply na sa industry, pwedeng maging advantage ito para sa pag nag-a-apply ng work. Okay. Okay. Now for Solid Edge Mechanical Professional graduates, pwedeng makareceive ng 12-month subscription ng Solid Edge Foundation. Ayan. So if ever na mag-take ng Solid Edge, okay? So ito is parang sample lang siya or student na gumagamit ng Solid Edge and then nakapag-design siya ng parang robotics. So pwede rin siya sa mga STEM students. And then yung Solid Edge User Group Philippines, ayan, nilaunch siya last December 2020. So dito pwede tayong mag-join. So pwede tayong, para siyang community na dedicated dito sa Philippines sa Philippines po. Then ito po yung mga partners for academic ecosystem sa iba't ibang school, foreign. Ito naman yung academic ecosystem sa Philippines. And then yung iba pa, nabanggit kanina ni Sir Gary po. And then for Solid Edge customers, ito po yung mga iba't ibang company. And yun lang po for Solid Edge.